So we're just entering the air show. There's a little bit of a lineup, maybe like 10 cars to get into the main gate. Now we're just waiting to go and pay, which is over there, somewhere there. Yeah.
Look at this. It's just right beside us. Look at the entrance. Hey. There's Jen. Here's my son. Hey, I like your shades there, buddy.
What?
I like your shades.
Yes, that's very nice. I don't have to do this. See, look, I don't have to do this.
Like I do.
Yeah.
And here's my lovely wife. And there's the air show in there. Maybe they would still have Cascades Aerospace is there.
That's Mount Baker?
Here, Ronan. Hold the thing.
Oh, yes. Hey, Mom.
Oh, no. Information booth. We have the info booth. And now we're going into this one. Yes? Yeah. We got Red Bull there. There's... Okay. Okay, we're here now. Time to go. Time to go?
Why am I here in the United States? Hey, we're
Yeah, let's go. Oh. So it's a Canadian Paratrooper with the American flag. Whoa, he's going down fast. Oh, good timing. All right. Oh, right here, Jen. Look.
Sometimes we just all jump in the airplane.
Look, that's where we're gonna go. Either there or here. Oh, there's 3 of them.
Oh my God.
There's 3 of them. I thought there was only 2. The Canadian Paratroopers. Yeah.
Oh, hi, Ryan.
This is half in there. There's another half on the other end.
How do people get up all the way up there?
Huh?
How do people get up all the way up there?
Oh, they get dropped off by a plane.
So set at the rear with a top and bottom skin with rims getting the airfoil safe. And now
Aviation. Prospera Lounge.
is proud to once again
And they have their own washroom as well.
Behind
Oh, look!
I got airplanes.
Look! There's your, oh, look at this one. What is this thing? See, now you're all pretty close in here. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Huh?
Great decision.
There's a hole in there.
Show at Abbotsford, and Abbotsford throughout British Columbia.
Oh, the C-130 is there.
Ladies and gentlemen, here they are, your Canadian Armed Forces parachute team, the Skyhawks 2026.
Oh,
Skyhawks, give it up one more time for the team. And if you would be so kind, let's give instructor J.P. McCann a big round of applause.
Ronan, look at
all other aircraft combined.
look at our view of VIP seating.
Arcing in from the left, here comes that beautiful F4U Corsair
Here
once
comes
again. I was
that.
talking about the long nose on that aircraft. It's actually occupied by a single self-sealing fuel tank holding 237 gallons. This feature, together with a cockpit that was set well back on the fuselage, caused they're looking at details. I mentioned that incredible.
The smoke systems installed in these airplanes so we can follow their incredible maneuvers through the sky. Ken Reeder's job is to make sure he flies smooth and predictable so that his wingman can stay right in position. Look at this beautiful, graceful formation, half loop, and now they're splitting away. Now this requires some here, folks. Keep one eye on the right. It is time now for us to turn the microphone over to your Canadian Forces Snowbirds. And here is Snowbird 11, Captain Jaron Roberts.
perfect timing for the Snowbirds.
They're getting set up.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Abbotsford. On behalf of our command team, Lieutenant Colonel Guillaume Piquet, and Chief War Officer Guy Beaubien, and all members of the 431 Air Demonstration Squad. Messieurs, bonjour, bienvenue, spectacle des Snowbirds 2026. If you look off to the right, you'll see the Snowbirds are taxiing in position in preparation for takeoff. Today's takeoff will be a triple hit. You will notice 3 groups, each with 3 aircraft ready to takeoff. Today's takeoff will be a triple hit. You will notice 3 groups, each with 3 aircraft arranged in a V formation. The formations are 500 feet apart, allowing all 9 airplanes to rejoin quickly once there.
Inside the helicopter. This would be insane.
Les Snowbirds sont tous des membres actifs de Force Armée Canadienne. The Snowbirds are all active serving members of the Canadian Armed Forces. And folks, if you look off to the right, the Snowbirds are now about to take off. Have your cameras ready.
Perhaps. Quebec.
So glitchy.
Your 2026 Canadian Forces Snowbirds!
Sounds cliche, but tell me what you're waiting for me. Baby, I'm a rolling stone. I got a lot of right in me, but I don't wanna say this wrong. Tell me would you stay with me? Maybe we can make this home. You should run away with me, even if you're better off alone. Your name is a neon light in the sky with I wish that I could fly into the sky. Just like a dragonfly, I fly above the trees, over the seas, in all degrees, to anywhere I please. Oh, I want to get away. White flags out again. Aiming so high, it's swinging so low. Trying to catch fire, feeling so cold. Holding inside and hoping won't show. Saying it's not, but inside I know it's gonna be the day you notice. Cause I'm tired of explaining what the joke is. This is what you want for.
Speakers.
Alright, from left to right, get ready for a collaboration between the solos and the step cats. The four-way cross. Got it. Lock your course, spoiler. What's the bad thing? Got it.
Like cold iced tea and warm weather. We lay out late underneath the pines and we still have fun. The sun won't shine. You and me together all the time.
Responsive flag for Abbotsford. Snowbirds 6, Captain Steve Sparks for Abbotsford, Ontario. He's a former Harvard teacher and bomber instructor. Flying in the outer right wing position, he brings over 2,800 hours flying to the
Ronan.
And again, it's just enough.
from the left, let's watch the solos rejoin the main formation as the Snowbirds present the Tornado.
Oh.
Shots of whiskey, got a chain on my neck and a massive hickey. You say you're a big deal, big deal. I've been a big deal ever since big wheels. Shit's real. I feel like a supermodel who just skipped a meal. I like to party and spend my dough, and when I go to rehab, I put it on a show. And it's so spectacular whenever I rap to you. I'm reenacting my skills as captain.
That mean?
And I hope that you don't suffer.
We'd like to take this opportunity to highlight our dedicated technicians to ensure that we have safe and operational jets day in and day out. Performance today would not have been possible without these amazing members of our team. In the crew chief position, we have Sergeant Shane Tutor, born in March, Germany, raised in Oromocto, New Brunswick. 2 Alpha, we have Corporal Eric Henry from Belleville, Ontario.
Oh yes.
All the way
Was
from
it down there?
Sudan, we have Corporal Patrick and Logan, 3 Alpha position. 4 Alpha, we have Master Corporal Chad Humphreys from Expanse, Saskatchewan. Ajax, Master Corporal Tristan High School, 5 Alpha position. 6 Alpha, we have Corporal Kyle Hopper from Expanse, Saskatchewan. 7 Alpha, Shane.
I could be right, I could be wrong. It hurts so bad, it's been so long.
That's it.
Mama, I'm coming home. Selfish love, yeah, we're both alone. Right before the fall, yeah. But I'm gonna take this heart of stone. I just got to have it all. I've seen your face 100 times. Every day we've been apart. I don't care about the sunshine, yeah. 'Cause mama, I'm coming home.
Your 2026 Canadian Forces Snowbirds! more easily carry out final checks and preparation. You have now witnessed the 2,909th show in the Snowbirds' 55-year history.
We're going to be landing soon. We get a view of the
On
Mount
behalf of our
Baker.
command team, Lieutenant Colonel Guillaume Piquet, Chief Warrant Officer Guy Beaubien, and all members of the 431 Air Demonstration Squad, thank you for joining us here today. It has been our pleasure and our honor to perform this festival. Back to you, Ken and Roy.
Pressure flow, go out your way and